So next question is 9.5. Okay, so let us consider two wires of diameter 0.25 centimeter, one made up of steel and other made up of brass are loaded as shown in the figure. The unloaded length of steel wire is 1.5 meter and the brass wire is 1.0 meter. Young's modulus of steel is 2.0 into 10 to the power 11 Pascal. Compute the elongation of steel and brass wires. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter square. Okay, so these things have been clearly given. Okay, you can also see the figure. Steel and brass, okay, both are suspended under a rigid support. Okay, so feel for a steel wire, the total force on steel wire will be F is equal to 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10 kg. So we have to multiply by 9.8, right? Because as we know that these masses are completely depending on acceleration due to gravity. So according to Newton's second law, F is equal to m times g. So m is equal to, the total mass is 10 kg, so 10 into 9.8 is equal to 98 Newton. Okay, so L1 is given as 1.5 meter and del L1 is equal to question mark and 2R1 is equal to 0.25. Okay, so the diameter is 0.25. We can write it as 2R1, that is equal to 0.25. So 0.25 by 2, which is equal to 0.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and y1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 11 Pascal. And similarly, let's calculate for a brass wire. So the mass of brass wire is 6 kg. So 6 into 9.8. Okay, 6 into 9.8. And 6 into 9.8 will be what? Tell me. It will be 58.8, correct? So 58.8 Newton. And 2R2 is again 0.25 centimeter. So on dividing, you will get the same R2, that is equal to 0.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and y2 is given as 0.91 into 10 to the power 11 Pascal. Okay, so L2 is equal to 1 meter. So we have to find for del L2 as well. So since y1 is equal to f1 into L1 by a1 into del L1, and also since it is wire, so it is of cylindrical shape, so the formula will be pi r square. So from this we can calculate value of del L1, which is equal to 10 into 9.8 into 1.5 into 7 divided by 22 into 0.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square into 2 into 10 to the power 11. So just substitute all the values and solve it, multiply it, divide it, add the powers and also subtract the powers. Okay, so it will be like a power m into a power m. Now we have to add a power m plus n. A power m divided by a power n. Now we have to subtract a power m minus n. On solving, I am getting the answer as 1.49 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Similarly, let's do it for L2, del L2. Del L2 is equal to F2 into L2 by pi r square into y2. So 6 into 9.8 into 1 into 7 divided by 22 into 0.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 the whole square into 0.91 into 10 to the power 11. Here also you have to multiply and divide it. So you'll get the answer as 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So this is all the whole sum. Okay, so thank you.